Why did I have a feeling you guys were gonna get? I was gonna get 110 likes. Why did I have a feeling it was gonna happen? Oh yeah, that's right. Because it did. Hello YouTube, what's up? Or Facebook, what's up? It's your boy Buff Stunner, and I see 110 of you, or almost 110 of you, close enough, like my status. So I guess you really want to see it. So, access wish has been granted. Now, I mostly wrote the song I'm about to do because, I don't know, I just had a lot of stuff on my mind, and basically I was really upset today, and because of something that happened last night, which is a good thing. What happened last night was a good thing, but I don't think it's going to happen. I mean, I give said Anonymous props for doing what he did with Girl Unknown. I appreciate what you did, bro. I did, really. I really did. But there's no guarantee that she'll actually go out with me. Okay? And then after that talk, it got me thinking. And after saying all the same old bullshit I hate that you guys do at school that I hate seeing, I had to get my feelings out through song. I call this Upset Boy Swag. This is like my first original rap. This is not Truth Is Rap. This is an actual rap that I actually created and made and wrote down the notes for and all that. It's my first one, and hope you guys like it. Yeah, that's right, flat boys. You're not the only ones that can rap. that are the messed up. Yeah, that's right, fly boys. Fly, you ain't the only ones that can rap, rap like bosses. Yeah, son. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah. Upset Boy Swag, man. Let's do a song by Buster Down Low original, new edition. Let's go. You see, these days, they don't make sense. Because you live in a world where there is zero romance in your life. Cause you're so lonely like you ain't even got a wife. But with everything that's all around you, it must be quite upsetting to you. Watching others be happy when it ain't happening to you. And you cry and you scream like you just don't know what to do. So you give up hope because even when you try, it doesn't seem to work out in the end. You know why? Your heart will slowly die. Yeah. You may feel good that the drama is finally over. Too bad you still hate your single life. And you have ever since last October. As you try picking yourself up right off the ground and want to see no PDA without even hearing a sound. But inside it still stings. But hey, you did the best you can. But having autism is a fact, and most girls understanding it won't happen. It's like they're all missing a huge factor that puts it all back together. Yes, they may get it now, but then later on, they could still not remember. Am I really bad? Come on, tell me please. Hoping that you'll date me is as impossible as monkeys reading Chinese. Yeah. Honestly, can you not understand? There's really something about me that you just can't comprehend. Why won't you date me? I'm not that bad a guy, you know. And if you ever opened your heart, then maybe you would know. I wouldn't rape you with nothing. What? Is that what you expect? You think I just wanna get nasty with you and just get erect? I'm not ready for that yet. Fine. Whatever, if you are, if that's what you do all the time, then I guess that makes you a porn star. But you won't really go far. I just wanna live and love life and fall in love and be happy. Don't want no girl to have sex with and be someone's baby daddy. Girl, I'm not about that teen mom shit. The 16 and pregnant life. Must the hardest thing ever be getting my own wife. I ain't asking for $1 million or a flat screen TV, but you just wanna break hearts and play games. Unfortunately, so I ask as kind as I can possibly be. Don't be scared, oh please just date me. I mean, god damn it. Fuck what all them haters say. Fuck what all them haters say. Girl, don't let them mocking make you embarrassing me. Just stop it with all the games. It's all I'm asking for, because I don't want to be single anymore. So just go out with me. It won't be a total shame. Because just like the wanted, I'll make you glad you came. The sun comes down, the stars come out, and I just want a relationship with you right now. I ask you, please, don't be so scared of me. Don't put me to blame, 'cause I'm glad you came. I saw you staring at me, like looking at me like it was so heavenly, and you were blushing all over me. So come with me and free from sanity, you and me. Let's set the dance floor off, have our sweet escape, and now watching the time. It wouldn't cost money, not even a dime. Just come with me, and I'll make you so happy. So much it will mean to me. The sun goes down when the stars come out, and I just want you in my arms right now. Let the smile just appear right on my face. Don't be ashamed, nigga, I'm glad you came.